All right, on this video, what I'm doing is I'm putting some polyacrylic on this piece of cedar. It's a piece off our property that that my husband had in the barn. He makes different items with cedar, and I brought it in because I couldn't stand to throw it away. So I'm gonna make something out of it, and I will use it. And I came across it's a tray that goes under flowers, a metal tray, but it's old. In fact, I have two of them, and I decided to use that in this project also. So you'll see as the video goes what I'm doing. All right, you can see there where I had drilled a hole in the top of the piece of wood. And actually, that was before I'd put the polyacrylic on it because I forgot to throw that in there. Kind of getting ahead of myself on the other part, but that's okay. And here's the old tin flower pot bottom, and I'll measure it and put a hole in it also. I'll have to drill a pilot hole for my screw to go through. And I've cut all the noise out so it wouldn't be. I do have a wood block under that. I'm not drilling into my tile. There's the block. And here's how it turned out after I screwed it all together. It doesn't look real nice here, but if you'll wait, just wait and see how I styled it and where I put it. It looks pretty good. All right, here's the tray I made right there. And I had just went to town and went to my house in town and got my mama's old sewing machine that she sewed many, many, many clothes for all of us on, and brought it out here so I can enjoy it. It's in rough shape, but it brings back memories. On the front of it, she had put an old, you can see it, measuring tape, and she used to measure hems and whatever she needed to measure with it while she was sewing, and it's still there, and I'm not going to take it off. I could redo it, but it just brings back too many memories for me. And there's the tray that I made, and I have a spindle, an old thread spindle right there. And then that thread right there, whoops, this right here, that is actually, Mama used to save. She went through the Depression. She saved everything. That's actually some thread that she put on this spool, and I kept it because it makes me think of her. And that's how it turned out. I put it there, and I like how it looks. I didn't have a lot of stuff to put on it. I had to borrow from other places. Now I have to reorganize other places that I have decorated, but for right now, I like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next one, we'll see you later.